Bonjour mes étudiants 6th standard, how are you all? Welcome you all for this new session. Dans la classe, lesson 5, continuation. So last class we were seeing this verb avoir, okay? So let's revise it once and then we'll move on to the next one, because even today's class is based on this verb avoir and être. So already these two verbs have been seen. So verb avoir, let's repeat together. This is singulier and this is plurial in French, okay? Singular, plural. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So our verb, as I said before, we use this verb for telling our age and things which we have. So the meaning is have. In case if you have a pen, you can say j'ai deux stylos, I have 2 pens. And to tell your age, j'ai 10 ans, I am 10 years old. So based on this, we are going to learn some more today. So today's topic, let's step into this. Adjectives. So today we are going to learn adjectives, and I'm going to give you homework based on this. So learn it well. It will be easy, okay? So in French, the adjective agrees with noun and it qualifies, okay? So this one is little challenging because French has masculine and feminine. So as we learn, we should be knowing what to add when it turns to feminine, and what to add when it turns to feminine plural or masculine plural. So see here, Manuel est grand, so he is tall, okay? Manuel est grand, he is tall. Manuel et Anish sont grands. So here it is Manuel alone, one single noun. Here it is 2 people, Manuel and Anish. So the verb first changes, okay? est becomes sont because here it is 2 people, so they become ils, okay? So ils ont grands. These 2 are boys, so just I am making it masculine plural. In case if there is girls, it will change accordingly. So that is what we are going to see now. So first we are going to learn the adjectives, and then we are going to learn how to change these adjectives to masculine and feminine, okay? Now let's continue. The feminine is normally formed by adding an e to the masculine form. So see what they say here. Caroline is a girl, okay? She is tall. Elle est grande. So as I said, when you add an e, you have to sound the d. Elle est grande. But it does not take another e if already adding e is in, ending is an e, okay? For example, if this word grande is not having an e already, so grande, see here in this spelling, it is not having an e at the ending. So we are adding an e to this word to make it feminine, okay? And so normally the rule is to make it feminine, we have to add an e. In case if the word itself had a he already, for example, sympathique is a word, in this word already e is existing. So what we have to do, we should not add another e, we should just use the same e, okay? Don't add ee, okay? So this is 1, adding an e. This is rule number 2, don't add any e if the word already has an e in it, okay? The ending letter, okay? Third one, the plural is found by adding an s in the singular form. For example, ils ont grands. This is just adding an s, that is masculine plural, adding an s, okay? That means masculine plural. It is feminine plural, see, elles ont grands. So for this I will give you a clue. So this ELLES, how it is ending? It's ending with ES. So whenever you get ELLES, you should also add ES at the ending. Okay, this is very special, and this is especially when you use adjectives. Okay, so don't forget it. Okay, but it does not take another S if already ending with an S. So as we see here, see it is already ending with a E. So what we did not add any E in the feminine, right? The same way in plural form, if it is already having an S, please don't add another S. Just maintain the same S. Either it is here GROS, that means singular, GROS, it is plural. How do you say, sir? See, Ile, one boy is fat. Ils ont grow, they are fat. So this ILS denotes there are more number of people, but even though there are more number of people, we are adding, you are not adding anything. Okay, so that is the difference. So I do a small recap. Adding an E to make it feminine, don't add anything to make it feminine because already E exists. Third one, adding ES when it is feminine, so that means adding an S. Okay, and last one is plural and singular, both has same spelling when it is having an S. Okay, we are done with this. Now we are going to the table. So far I was explaining the rule, right? So all these rule in one single table. Okay, so petit. So in case if I want to change into masculine plural, it is in masculine singular. How to change it? Just adding an S. Okay, plural means what? Numbers will increase, so adding an S. In case I want to use this petit into feminine, just add a E. Feminine plural means what you will add? ES, because feminine plural means ELLES. So ELLES is ending with ES already, so add a ES here. Like this you have to memorize this. Okay, so the adjectives are given, and you can just learn it. Petit, small. Grand, big. Jolie, pretty. First we will learn this once, and then after understanding the meaning, we will just sort out the addings of ES. Okay, so that will help us to learn adjectives. So I'll read it once before I explain. Petit, small. Please repeat. Petit, small. Grand, big. Grand, big. Jolie, pretty. Jolie, pretty. Laid, ugly. Laid. Intelligent, intelligent. So it's a literal word, so you know it. Mass, thin. Mass, thin. Sympathetic, kind. Sympathetic, kind. Bon, good. Bon, good. Mauvais, bad. Mauvais, bad. Beautiful, beau. Beautiful, beau. Fat, gros. Fat, gros. Happy, content. Happy, content. Unhappy, mécontent. Unhappy, mécontent. So these are the adjectives. So first you have to learn these adjectives. If you learn these adjectives, you can write it in a vertical order like this, and I will make you a simple rule. Okay, imagine you learnt it. Okay, for example, petit. If you want to make this as feminine, add a E. If you want to make it as masculine plural, add an S. Feminine plural, ES. Okay, so let's change this E S ES, so that will be easy. Okay, E S ES, E S ES, E S ES. See here, E S ES, E this alone as es. Why? Because in the spelling itself it has what? E. So I cannot say es here. Okay, just adding an s. So I am not denoting it. Okay, e s es, e s es. Yeah, till this your part is very simple. Okay, so you learnt a single word and you added e to make it feminine, s to make it masculine plural, and es to make it feminine plural. So till this your part is easy. Okay, now these words alone the spelling will change. So these words alone you can memorize, that is bon, mauvais, beau, gros, content, mécontent. So for this I will tell you how to do this. So first we will learn the common things. See, feminine plural, everything is having es, 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 es. So feminine plural is easy. Okay, so how the spelling will change, that alone I will tell you. We have to memorize, no other go. Bon, to make it masculine plural, s is added, but feminine we should not add e. We should add another n to make it feminine plural. Bonne, B-O-N-N-E. Do you remember bonne journée? What I taught you during salutation? Yeah, that bonne. Bonne. Here it is feminine plural, B-O-N-N-E-S. Bonne. So mauvais is already having an s. So don't change the spelling here in masculine plural. Okay, have it as the same spelling. Here it is mauvais, mauvaise, that is add a e to make it feminine and es, like this, same rule. Beau, this spelling will become B-E-A-U-X. So whenever it is u, okay, add an x to make it plural, but feminine form alone B-E-L-L-E and B-E-L-L-E-S. See, don't think we have to memorize all these things. It's a very tough job. Don't think in that way. First make these things common. Make until petit till sympathetic your work is done. Very simple. Okay, E S E S. So your work is done. So make your work simple. Okay, bon, mauvais, beau, gros, content, mécontent. Just you memorize this and use it when you get the exercise, particularly which is based on this examples. Okay, so when we go with the exercise, we are just going to pick only one word. Okay, we are not going to pick all the words. So now I am training you for 3 exercises. Okay, exercise number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so all the 3 exercises you are going to do. Anyway, I will help you, but this is a reference. Okay, this page is a reference. When I say memorize, so if you memorize, you will be able to do it on your own without seeing this tabular column. That is it. Okay, so let's continue. Beau, belle, belle. So this spelling will change. You have to memorize this. Gros, gros, gross, gross. If you see these words, there will be similarity between feminine and masculine. So masculine, the spelling will not change, and feminine, both the spelling will be little similar. So you can learn masculine first, this box first, and then this box separately. So that will make you to learn easy. Content, content, contente, contente. Mécontent, mécontent, mécontente, mécontente. So this is just an example. So what I want you to take from this page is the adjectives. Okay, these adjectives alone you first take it for exercise number 4. Exercise number 5 and 6 I will help you. Okay, these adjectives you must remember. That is what the point I am trying to say. If you remember these adjectives, we can do exercise number 4 first. Okay, so this is what I am going to do. This we will see, the creed in person we will see. First I will take you to exercise number 4 and I will tell you what I am going to do. See, the exercise 3 we learnt avoir and author. So as I told you, avoir is for age and things, and author is for nationality, profession, and some other stuffs, adjectives, etc. So first they are asking us to put this elle s'appelle, you can copy from here, elle s'appelle Anna, elle dash 13 ans, so elle a 13 ans. So this is age, so what verb I should use? I should use a, elle a 13 ans. So avoir verb should be used here. Okay, so for avoir elle, what will come? A, one simple a. Now elle dash, the last ending word should start with p. So just now we learnt adjectives, so let's use that. Elle est petit, so here author verb should be used. Any adjective, only author verb should be used. So for example, here it is given il est petit, the same thing you have to write here, elle est petit. So like this we will do. Okay, now two people, feminine, elle s'appelle Julie et Anne, elle ONT or SONT, just tell me, elle dash 12 ans. So both the girls are friends, and what is their age? If I write SONT, is it right? No. So for age, what should we do? You should use only avoir verb. So elles ont, ONT, elles ont 12 ans. Now elles sont petites, so both the girls are small, so elles sont, SONT, petit. But now in this petit, what I should write? PETITES. I'll show you the answers in the answer key. Just now you try. I'll show you the answer now. Elles sont, first ELLES, the author verb should be SONT. Okay, so now I'll show you the spelling for this petit. Okay, here it is. This petit should come, PETITES. Elles sont petites. Okay, now third one, il s'appelle Bernard. Il s'appelle Bernard, s'appelle verb, you can take it from here, from the example. See, here it is, il s'appelle, S apostrophe APPELL, il s'appelle Bernard. Okay, il s'appelle Bernard. Again age, very simple, a, or small a here, il a 18 ans. Il est grand, author verb, this is the adjective, so author verb what should I use? EST. Okay, il est grand. Fourth one, il s'appelle Bernard et Damien. Okay, il s'appelle Bernard et Damien. Okay, il, what is given here? ILS, so it is plural. So what is the plural form of avoir? See, il, ILLS, ONT, ils ont 12 ans. Sorry, where we are? Okay, here we are. Ils ont 18 ans. Ils ont 18 ans. Finished. Ils ont 18 ans. They are 18 years old. Now last one. See, adjective should be starting with G. So what is the adjective which start with G? Already it is here. So ILS, il, SONT. So author verb should be used for adjective. Ils sont. Now grand spelling. Masculine plural. Where it is masculine, grand is here. Masculine plural, here it is, GRANDS. Ils sont grands. Okay, so I just showed you the answer. Okay, il s'appelle Sophie et Marie. Il s'appelle Sophie et Marie. Elles ont, ONT, okay, not SONT, because 15 ans means 15 years old. also, ONT, canson, also, again this is SONT, also, grande, GRANDES. Why? Because feminine plural. See here, ELLES, it should end with ES, right? So GRANDES, this should be the spelling. Now we are done with exercise number 4. This will come for your online test today, and exercise number 5 also will come for your online test today. I will help you. Let's do this. First, see this, mete au féminin, il est petit. Okay, il est petit. So how you will change this to il est petit to feminine? So first you have to change the subject. This il will become al, a will remain the same, il est petit. Okay, petit, this petit, what should be added to make it feminine? Let's see. See, petit is masculine, right? So to make it feminine singular, we have to add a e. Let's add a e. So the answer is al est petit with a e. Okay, so in the choose the best answer, I will give like this, il est petit, put in feminine. So you have to write, there will be petit with e, without e, or es or s. You have to choose the right answer, petite, PETITE. Okay, ils ont mince, that is the question. So this ILS will become ELLES, elles ont mince. So elles ont mince, already ES is there, so don't add anything. Okay, so the same spelling, only this should be changed, ELLES. Il est grand, this il will change to al. So al, what is having? ELLE. So al itself ending with a e, so you have to end the adjective again with a e, grand, GRANDE, al est grande. Al, il est joli, so al est joli, JOLIE, elle est jolie. Ils ont intelligent, here there will be a change, this ILS will become ELLES. So intelligent, since this ELLES as a ES, take this S and add ES. Okay, elles ont intelligent. These answers you can take it up from the online test itself if you want. If not, I will give you while I give you the answer key. Okay, answers, I will give you the answer key in the answer key, or in the online test you can find the answers and you can write it in your classwork. Okay, so what is your homework today? Before the online test, try to do exercise number 4 and 5, and exercise number 6 you take it as a homework. Exercise number 6 and exercise number 9. Let's do this exercise number 10, 11 and 12 in the next class. Okay, so what is your homework? Exercise number 6 and exercise number 9. Okay, so with this we are completing today's class. So today's class we saw adjectives. So write these adjectives in your grammar part. Verb also should be, for example, these adjectives you should write in your grammar part from in your classwork, and this tabular column should be there in your classwork, and avoir verb should be there in your classwork, and this décrire une personne I will teach you in the next class. Okay, so this exercise is based on exercise number 10. Okay, so next class I will show you the solutions for exercise number 4, exercise number 5, exercise number 6. Okay, so I want you to do exercise number 6 and exercise number 9 as a homework. Okay, So exercise number 6, I tell you. So far what we did was feminine, masculine to feminine. Okay, now what we are going to do is météo plural. This météo plural, j'ai un crayon, that will change to j'ai des crayons. Already I have taught you how to make it plural. J'ai, that will become plural. I will just give you one example. See, here it is given singular, okay, and here it is given plural. So singular it is j'ai, so plural what it is, nous avons. So this j'ai will become nous avons in plural. So half of the work is done. Okay, so j'ai will become what, nous avons. So half of the work is done. So replace j'ai with nous avons. Now un crayon, this un crayon will become des. Un will become des. Des crayon, crayon is masculine, so just add an s, des crayon, j'ai des crayon. So I want you to try. Okay, you can use the tabular column which I taught you now. This tabular column also it will be useful for you. See, masculine plural, feminine plural is there. Using the tabular column you can see the object for, see, petit is here, jolie is here. For these two you can see the tabular column. Gomme, gomme, both are same product. So first you have to find out tu as. What is the plural form of tu as? You have to find out there. Okay, so I don't want to give all the clues. Just try. Okay, no problem if you go wrong. Just try this in your French rough note. Even if you go wrong, no problem. In the next class I will show you the solutions and also I will explain you. Okay, okay mes étudiants, merci beaucoup, bonne journée. So don't forget to revise exercise number 4 and 5 is for your online test today. Merci, bonne journée.